Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about expansion of any natural number according to Indian place value system. Okay. My dear student, suppose I have one example. Suppose you have 29485. This number, how can you give the expand according to Indian place value system? So for this, first we have already discussed what is the meaning of Indian place value system. As you know very well, Indian place value system has many groups: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. Just again I am saying, Indian place value system has many groups: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. Now look here, ones, tens, and hundred will come in ones group. Thousand and 10,000 will comes in thousand group. Lakh and 10 lakh will come in lakhs group. Okay, and so on. So suppose you have one number 29485. How can you write this number according to Indian place value system? So first, what will you do? As we have already discussed, first we will put up the comma according to Indian place value system. So as you are looking, we will put first comma after 3 digits. This is ones, tens, and hundred. First comma after 3 digits and next comma after 2 digits. Okay. So this number will become 29,485. This number you can read 29,485. Again, how can you write this number in expanding form? Now look here. So my dear student, as you know very well, this is 29,485. Okay. According to Indian place value system, 5 is in ones group, 8 is in tens group, 4 is in hundredth group, 9 is in thousand group, and 2 is in 10,000 group. Okay. Now look here, 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 4 is in hundred place, 9 is in thousand place, and 2 is in 10,000 place. Okay. Now according to the place of these digits, we can take out the value of these numbers. Okay. Now look here, as you know very well, place value of 5 is in ones place, 5 is in ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Again, 8 is in tens place. So place value of 8 is 8 into 10. It will give to you 80. Place value of 4 is 4 into 100. It will give to you 400. Place value of 9 is in thousand place, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Place value of 9 is thousand place. 9 into thousand, it will give to you 9,000. Place value of 2 is 2 into 10,000. It will give to you 20,000. Okay. Now after this step, we can write the expanding form of 29,485. How? Look here. Again look here, 2 is in 10,000 place, as we have already discussed, 2 into 10,000 plus 9 is in 1000 place, 9 into 1000 plus 4 is in 100 place, 4 into 100 plus 8 is in tens place, 8 into 10 plus and 5 is in ones place. So 5 ones are 5. Now look here. 2 into 10,000 it will give to you 20,000. 9 into 1000 it will give to you 9,000. 4 into 100 it will give to you 400. 8 into 10 it will give to you 80 and 5 ones are 5. So my dear students, expanding form of 29,485 will be 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5. This is the expanding form of 29,485. Okay. Hello students, again welcome to my class. Now we will discuss about expanding form of 3085625. This is one more example. How can you write the expanding form of 3085625 according to Indian place value system? Okay. So my dear students, first what will you do? First we will put up the comma according to Indian place value system. Now look here, as you know very well, we will put up the comma. First comma will be after 3 digit. Okay, first comma after 3 digit and next comma we will put after 2 digits. As you are looking, first comma after 3 digit, second comma after 2 digit and next comma after 2 digits according to Indian place value system. So my dear student, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now look here. So first we will discuss about place value of 3. Place value of 3 is 3 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Place value of 3 is 3 into 10 lakh is equal to 30 lakh. Now look here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Place value of 3 is 3 into 10 lakh is equal to 30 lakh. Place value of 0. 0 is in which place? 0 is in lakh place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So place value of 0 is 0 into 1 lakh is equal to 0. Now look here. Place value of 0 is always 0. Please keep in mind. Place value of 0 is always 0. Place value of 8 will be 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Place value of 8 is in 10,000 place. So 8 into 10,000 it will give to you 80,000. Okay. Again, this 5 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5 is in 1000 place. Place value of 5 will be 5 into 1000. It will give to you 5000. Again, place value of 6 will be 6 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100. Place value of 6 will be 6 into 100. It will give to you 600. Again, place value of 2 will be 2 is in which place? Ones, tens. 2 is in tens place. So place value of 2 will be 2 into 10. It will give to you 20. Again, place value of 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in ones place. Okay. So place value of 5 will be 5 into 1. It will give to you 5. So my dear student, place value of 3 is 30 lakh. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 8 is 80,000. Place value of 5 is 5,000. Place value of 6 is 600. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 5 is 5. Okay. Then after taking out the place value of each digit, after taking out the place value of each digit in given number, we can write the expanding form of the given number. Okay. Now look here. So this is the 30 lakh plus 0 plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 5. This is the expanding form of 3085625 or 30 lakh 85,625. This is the expanding form of 30 lakh 85,625. Okay. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book for explanation. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.